Yep, I've had trouble here on the farm. Look at this. That's right, a deer has come through and rubbed on this peach tree. Now here is what you need to know. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and cut all this off. You want to cut that limb off, but don't do it. That's what you want to do, but that's not what you need to do. What you need to do is leave this damage right here the way it is, because further down it's not damaged. You're going to leave the damage until it gets cooler, gets closer to spring, and then you're going to prune that limb off. You don't want to do it now. If you do it now, what's going to happen is you're going to have an open sore on this tree, and especially in this rainy time of the year for us in December, you may have some disease that gets into the tree. So we're going to wait. It may get in here, yes, the disease, but it won't make it to the trunk of the tree by this winter. And just before spring, we will cut or make a prune here, and it will get rid of all this damage, and it will leave this part of the tree here where we'll have to reestablish some scaffolding. It won't be the worst thing in the world. But watch for those deer damage, and when you find it, don't panic. Don't start cutting things away right off. Just give it a minute, think about it, take a breath. You can fix it. It's not the end of the world, although I'm going to have to spray, and I'm going to tell you a little more about what I spray with here in just a second. Okay, step number one. Go get 3 eggs from the chicken coop. That one's broke, it's okay. You're not going to eat it. You're going to use it to make some deer repellent. So get your 3 eggs. And then all you do is take that blended egg with that hot sauce, find an old container real quick, make sure it has an airtight lid, because this stuff is gonna stink. So let's do that. We'll pour it. It won't stink now, but eventually it will stink. So you just pour that whole mixture into that bottle. Okay, here's the trick to the whole thing. You have your 3 eggs, you have your hot sauce, which I got for free. There's a little trick, I hope you picked up on that. Or you can buy any cheap hot sauce you want. And then you just put it in this container, added a little extra water to it, and you let it set up. If it's warm outside, let it set up outside. If it's not, you need to bring it in the house. Now, come by every once in a while, shake it up, make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. And after about 3 days, it'll be ready, especially if it's in a warm spot. If it's in the middle of the summer, if you leave it outside, it could be ready within a day and a half. But that egg will ruin, it will stink. You will take this container, you'll put it in a 4-gallon sprayer, and you will fill that sprayer up, the remainder of that sprayer up with water, and then you will spray everything. Now, you'll smell it in the backyard for about 30 minutes. The backyard will stink, okay? 30 minutes. But after about 30 minutes, let it dry. Come back, usually I spray it at night, and by that next day, you won't smell it. Now, you won't smell it, but the deer will, and the deer won't touch anything that this gets on. Now, you have to spray it on every 2 weeks, or every time it rains pretty good, you need to come back and spray it. Now, I hear there's something else out there, and I'm gonna do some research. I'll be back with a video, hopefully within a few days, maybe a week or 2, about what else you can make as a deer repellent, and it's supposed to last a lot longer than this here. But hey, give this a shot, give it a try. It's worked for me well. Anything I spray with it, deer won't touch it. So, good deer repellent.